we're going to take a look at some of the problems on this homework sheet for calculating missing angles. I had a lot of questions about this, so give you all a little bit of help here. We'll find some of these. What I would probably start with is the measure of a circle. And I know a circle is 360 degrees, and we'll see where a circle pops up in a second. Okay, so I'm going to take a look and see what the first angle I'm supposed to find is. And I see it's how many degrees is angle RQJ. So I'm going to highlight that. I look for angle RQJ. Well, this that I made right here, that just looks like a straight line. And I know that a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. The next problem says, how many degrees is angle F? So I'm going to find angle F. Here's angle F. Now, I don't see any right angles that it might be a part of, but I found out earlier that this was a straight line, and angle F looks like it's 1/3 of a straight line. So to find that out, I can do 180 degrees divided by 3, because there's 180 degrees in a straight line and 3 equal parts. So I'll do 3 times, well, I'll say 50 equals 150. That gives me 30. And now we'll do 3 times 10, which equals 30. I have no remainder, and my answer is 60 degrees for this angle right here. So that means that angle F is 60 degrees. My next problem is DFI. So I'm going to find angle DFI. Just going to erase this real quick. I'm going to find DFI. So I'm going to highlight that. Here's D, here's F, and here's I. So this is the angle I'm trying to find. I found out in the last problem that angle F was 60 degrees. I know angle G was also 1/3 of that straight line, so that must be 60 degrees. So to find DFI, I'm just going to add 60 plus 60, which I know is 120 degrees. Let's take a look at our next problem. Just looking at this, I can tell that I'm going to start with the measure of a circle, which I know a circle is equal to a 360-degree rotation. Let's look at our first problem. How many degrees is angle ABC? So I'm going to find angle ABC. So here's A, here's B, and here's C. So I want to find this portion of the circle. I know a circle is 360 degrees, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. So I think my problem is going to be 360 divided by 5. So we can do 5 times 60. 5 times 6 is 30 plus a 0. That gives me 60 remaining. And here I'll do 5 times 12. That's 60. I have no remainder, but I have 60 plus 12 for angle B, so that is 72 degrees. The next thing I'm going to look for, I said angle ABC was 72 degrees. The next thing is how many degrees is angle ABE? So I'm going to find that one. I'll highlight that in red. ABE. Well, I know these are 5 equal parts. If this is 72 degrees, then ABE. Angle F must also be 72 degrees. So the measure of this angle is going to be these two combined. 72 plus 72 is 144 degrees. Okay, so I found out that angle ABE was 144 degrees. Now I'm going to look for angle ABJ. So let me erase some of this so we get a better idea of where our angle is. So we're going to look for angle ABJ, and I'll highlight that. Here's A, here's B, and here's J. Now, since it goes to this B, this angle on the outside, so I'm moving to the outside and rotating all the way around. So the angle I need to find is here. I'm going to look for A is 72 degrees. I just found out that's 72 degrees. G is also equal to that 72 degrees. So it's 72 times 3, or 72 plus 72 plus 72. So I can do 2, 4, 6, and 7 times 3 is 21. So angle ABJ is 216 degrees. Okay, for problem number 3, I'm not going to find any of the angles, but I will give you some hints. So I'm probably going to try to find the measure of a right angle, which measures 90 degrees. And for number 4, it looks like right here, I'm most likely going to be using a straight line. And I know a straight line measures 180 degrees. So you can try out the rest of those problems on your own. Helped you out with 1 and 2. Go ahead and try to explore for 3 and 4, and always remember, every time you're trying to find something, you're looking for things that you know, benchmark angles. 90-degree right angles, 180-degree straight angles, and 360-degree circular rotations. Check back for more.